Well, before the break, I told you that we'd have something amazing for your skin. And after having skincare challenges, Sanika Hibbert has created her own skincare line, Black Gold. She joins us now with her story, and later, she's going to show me how to make a coffee scrub. Hi, Sanika.
Hi, guys.
How you doing?
I'm fine. How are you?
Yeah, I'm pretty good. You had some skincare challenges. What were those?
Yes. So growing up, I had dry skin, like flaky skin, and I had a lot of spots on my skin. So, you know, as you get older, you start getting more aware of these things and more insecure. So I went on a journey to find something instead of lotion that would help me to get rid of these challenges, and that was shea butter.
Shea butter?
Yes.
Okay. Now, did you try a wide range of skin products?
No. So I started with shea butter. When I started the research, I went on Instagram and I saw this social media influencer. She was using something on her skin, and when she applied it, it was very glowy and her skin looked very moist. I was like, "Whoa, what is that?" Yeah. So I sent her a DM and I asked her, and she said, "Oh, you know, it's shea butter, right?" So I went on work and travel, and I purchased like a lot of shea butter, and then I started seeing improvements. So then when I came home, I started doing research, how I can make it into something that will absorb easier into on the body.
Right, so you solved your own problem with shea butter, and then it blossomed into a business. How did that transition take place?
All right, so I started off with cocoa butter and shea butter and coconut oil. And then eventually I started giving persons samples, and they're like, "Whoa, Sanika, this is very good." So I started doing more research. I sold my first product, and then when I sold my first product, persons were like, "Oh, you need to go into face products now. You need to start making soaps." So of course I did more research, and that's where really the bulk of the research came from.
What's the business been like? What's the response? I mean, obviously from your samples, you got a good response, but since becoming a business and formalizing everything, and now you've got your product line, what's that response been like?
It's been very great, actually. So what my focus has been is really customer retention, getting good reviews from customers, even if they're bad, or, you know, your customers, they'll make suggestions. So I take those suggestions and I turn it into something positive. So I'm always improving on the business, basically. So the response has been great. A lot of returning customers, a lot of new customers. You know, when I get in returning customers, that's actually a good KPI.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Absolutely. Now, just share with us quickly about the line. What types of products do you have?
Okay, so it's a natural skincare line. So we have our moisturizers for our face and our body. So these at the back, those are our body oils, right? So those are for your body, moisturizers for your body.
So from neck down? From
neck down, okay. Yes, sir, right? And then we have our 2 different types of moisturizers.
This is one of them?
Right, so that's one of them. So that's acai berry and vitamin C moisturizer. So for persons who have dark marks, hyperpigmentation, that's definitely what you want to go with. It has aloe vera in it and honey and all good stuff, basically. We have our beard oil for the men. We have our toner, we have turmeric scrub, and of course...
So grow back, man.
Yes, yes. Right, and we also have ingrown oil. So if you're having like ingrown hair and razor bumps, we'll have an oil for that, and also have our soaps.
You've got it right here?
Yes.
You're not going home with it?
Okay.
Amazing. And scrubs, are we going? Do you have scrubs in the line, or are you just teaching me how to make a coffee scrub this morning?
So I have a turmeric scrub in the line, and I'll be teaching you to make a coffee scrub this morning.
Oh, and I can do this at home?
Yes, definitely.
Then, if you can't make me do it at home, Sanika, you're not going to dash for the business?
No, it's not going to dash for
because there's a coffee scrub hits the market.
So we have the ingredients.
All right, very good. Let's get right into that. Let's switch sides a bit.
Sure.
Do you make the products yourself?
I do. Yes.
Oh, awesome. And it's all natural, yes?
All natural.
So no synthetic, nothing. It's all natural products. Where do you source?
All right, so I source most of my raw materials locally, right? So like my turmeric, I got it from my home place in Kendall, Hanover, right?
Oh, you're from the West, just like me.
Oh, nice.
Good.
So most of the products, most of the raw materials, as I said, they're sourced locally.
Amazing.
Right.
I'm very happy to hear that. All right. So we've got here bath butter, coffee, and granulated sugar?
Yes, sir.
All right, great. And how do I portion these and get
So you're starting with the bath butter. So you're going to use a spoon.
Oh, the spoon. I'm sorry. I'm just really anxious to use a scoop.
You'll get to use a scoop eventually. So
how much do I need?
2 of that.
Like that?
Yes.
That's good. Another one. Bath butter. Why bath butter?
All right, so the bath butter basically is a surfactant.
Can you use my finger to scrape it off?
Yeah,
right?
man, sure. So it's basically a surfactant. So this is a foaming coffee scrub. So when you apply it, it lathers.
Okay.
So I choose this route as opposed to just oil-based scrub because, you know, sometimes the oils, they clog your drains.
I can just rub this on my skin, right? The bath.
Yes. Or we can use the napkin.
Oh, we can use the napkin. I knew that.
We do have the napkin.
Of course. Yeah.
Right?
What else do I do?
So,
'Cause we're
so
going to-
apply about half of the coffee.
half of this quantity of coffee?
Yes. A little bit more, right? And now we're going to
Mix it all together.
Right.
Ooh, making a bit of a mess there. Keep going. Let's
And then we're going to add the granulated sugar.
Okay, so into this big ball of
You're going
everything.
to apply more force.
Oh,
Yes.
really get into it.
Get
All
into
right.
it, right.
All right. How much of the sugar should I add?
I'll tell you when to stop.
All right. Also, keep blending in the coffee first.
Right.
And then we'll add the sugar.
Right.
Okay. What's the purpose of the coffee in the scrub?
So the coffee acts as an exfoliant, right?
Okay.
So one of the most important step in your skincare routine is exfoliation,
right?
Because you know the exfoliation, when you exfoliate, you're basically removing the dead skin. You can go ahead and add the sugar now.
All right. What quantity?
Half.
Half. Also, it's sweet too.
All right.
All right. And the purpose of the sugar, just like the coffee, texture to help with the exfoliation process?
There you go.
Okay.
Right? And it also helps with circulation.
Does it?
All right? Yes, it does. Because, you know, you're getting in there.
Right.
All right. Paste it and knock some off the scoop. Yes. It's like making cake.
Yeah, making a nice batter.
But you're making it for your skin. Right? All the good stuff for your skin. Right. So one of the things I always recommend for persons is that they do exfoliation at least 2 to 3 times for the week. Right? Because the exfoliation, when you exfoliate, it removes the dead skin and it also allows products to absorb easier into your skin. All right.
Great. And now that I've done all of that work.
Yes, sir. Do you need more napkin?
I doubt it.
All right, so now we are going to package.
Oh.
All right, so this is where you use the scoop.
Good job, Garth. Look out for Garth's coffee sugar scrub.
There you go.
Coming to pharmacies and stores near you. Inspired by Black Gold. And if you don't mind to buy out my company, not a problem.
I definitely will. I definitely will.
But you saw it here first, folks, on Smile Jamaica. Garth's Sugar Coffee Scrub. Amazing stuff. And I even have a label. I think there's a label. Ah, there we go.
So you're going to cover it first.
Right. I knew that. Nice. And then crack and peel.
There you go.
Very good.
And the crack and peel sticks more to the glass container.
And crack and peel sticks more to glass.
So you see, tips for your business.
Very good. Amazing stuff. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Garth's coffee scrub. Look out for it. It's coming soon. Where can we find your products? Where can we find more about your products?
Okay, so you can find us on Instagram at Black Gold.
Spell it.
BLXC_gold. You can reach out to us on WhatsApp or call us at 337-8733. Also, we are on Shop Q Mall and Carb Shoppers.
All right. So let's go again. On Instagram, it's
Black Gold, BLXC_gold.
right.
On WhatsApp or call, it's 337-8733.
Right.
And you can find us on Shop Q Mall and Carb Shoppers.
Amazing stuff, Sanika. Thank you so much for what you're doing as a young Jamaican, young Jamaican business.
Thank you.
I really hope that we'll get more support for you. And buy my buy my scrub.
Okay, it's good for exfoliation. Okay, we need this.
That's Sanika Hibbert. After the break, we've got more on Smile. Stay with us.